Welcome back, students, in the series of online classes. Today, I am going to teach you to find the roots of quadratic equation when their discriminant is negative. As you know that chapter quadratic equation, as you read in your previous class 10th also, but there you will learn to find the quadratic equation when their discriminant is positive only or equal to 0. But here you will learn to find the roots of quadratic equation when their discriminant is negative. Let's see. First we have a brief or short idea about the quadratic equation. So students, let ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 be a quadratic equation where a b c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0, because when a becomes 0, that it will convert into linear equation. It will be of quadratic equation, because this term will be 0. And b and c may or may not be 0. B and C either will be 0 or will not be 0 also. So as you know from the formula that discriminant equals to b a square minus 4ac, which you have learned in previous class. So you know that when d is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. And when d is equal to 0, then you know that then the roots are real but equal. But in class 10th you have learned that when discriminant is negative, then you have learned the roots are not exist. The roots are not exist. This exist, it means that its root is not exist. This you have learned in class 10. But here in class 11, it said that when d is less than 0, then the roots are complex number. This does not exist becomes wrong. In this class you have to find the root of quadratic polynomial when their discriminant is less than 0. As you know, the roots of equation is x equals to minus b plus minus root under d by 2a, or you may write minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula for the roots of quadratic equation. So children, now we are going to take some examples and solve it, that then you will get some idea about how to solve the questions of quadratic equation. So let's see. First you see the question number 1. The question number 1 is x square plus 3 equals to 0. This is very simple equation. So when you are going to solve it, then you can write x square equals to minus 3, which you can write x square equals to 3i square, because you know that since I square equals to minus 1. So now you have x equals to under root 3i square, whose square root will be plus root under 3i and minus root under 3i. So the roots of above equation are plus root under 3i and minus root under 3i. And children, you must know that the quadratic equation has degree 2, so there at most it has 2 roots. An equation having n degree will have at most n roots. So here quadratic equation will always have 2 roots. So these are the required roots of this quadratic equation. Now let's we take another example, that is question number 2. Let's see the question. The second question is our 2x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So now here we have to recognize first, here compare it by a standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Then we have a equals to 2, b equals to 1 and c equals to also 1. Now first you find its discriminant. Its discriminant is b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 1 square minus 4 into 2 into 1. That is 1 minus 8, which is minus 7. Minus 7 can be written 7i square also, because you know that I square equals to minus 1. So now you have to find the roots of this quadratic equation. The roots of above equation is x equals to minus b plus minus root under b by 2a. That is x equals to minus b, it means minus 1 plus minus root under 7i square by 2a, that is 2 into 2. So it will be minus 1 plus minus root under 7i by 4, which can be also written in this form, minus 1 plus root under 7i by 4 and minus 1 minus root under 7i by 4. So these are the roots of this required quadratic equation. As you can see that The roots are consisting real number as well as imaginary number. So these number are complex number. So the roots of quadratic equation, when their discriminant is less than 0, is a complex number. So in this way you can solve such type of questions. Now let's take another example. Let's see another question, that is question number 4. 4 is what? Minus x square plus x minus 2 equals to 0. Here we can recognize, here we have a equals to minus 1, b equals to 1 and c equals to minus 2. Now try to find the b, value of b. b equals to b square minus 4ac. So we can have b equals to 1 square minus 4 into minus 1 into minus 2. On further solving you will have 1 minus 4 to the 8, that is minus 7. So its discriminant is minus 7, which is less than 0. So the roots are x equals to minus b plus minus root under d by 2a. Here minus b equals to 1, so put 1 plus minus root under d, that is minus 7 by 2 into minus 1. So you can write minus 1 plus minus under root 7 I square by minus 2, which on further solving minus 1 plus minus root under 7i by minus 2. So these are the which can be written in this form also, minus 1 plus root under 7i by minus 2 and minus 1 minus root under 7i by minus 2 also. So yeah, this is the roots of this quadratic equation. Now let's take another question, that is question number 8. The question number 8 is root 3 x square minus root 2x plus 3 root 3 equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation whose roots is to find. So here we have a equals to root 3, b equals to minus root 2 and c equals to 3 root 3. Now you find the d equals to b square minus 4ac, that is b equals to minus root 2 whole square minus 4 into root 3 into 3 root 3. So it will be 2 minus 4 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36. That is minus 34, which is less than 0. Now the roots are x equals to minus b plus minus root under d by 2a. So it will be minus b is minus root 2 plus minus root under d, that is minus 34 by 2a. 2 into root 3. So you can write it root 2 minus minus will become plus, root 2 plus minus root under 34 I square by 2 root 3. On further solving it, you will have root 2 plus root under 34 I by 2 root 3. And second one is root 2 minus root under 34 I by 2 root 3. Hence, this is the required root of the quadratic equation 3x square minus root 2x plus 3 root 3 equals to 0. In every equation, first you recognize the value of a, b, c from comparing the equation to the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. And thereafter you have to find its d, that is discriminant. And you will see that in this case you will always get a discriminant which is less than 0, that is negative discriminant. And when the discriminant is negative, then their roots will be a complex number, that is the combination of real number and imaginary number also. So in this way you can solve every question of the quadratic equation. Now let's take one more example of this type, and thereafter you can solve all the questions by yourself only. So let's start solving one another example. Our next question is, we have to take an equation which is not in a standard form. That is the question number 10, which is the last question of this exercise. Question number 10. 10 is x square plus x by under root 2 plus 1 equals to 0. Since this equation is not in the standard form of quadratic equation, so first you bring it in the standard form of quadratic equation by multiplying by root 2 on both sides. So when you multiply by root 2 on both sides, then you will have root 2x square plus x plus root 2 equals to 0. Multiplying by root 2 on both sides. So now here you have a equals to root 2, b equals to 1 and c equals to root 2 also. Now you find its discriminant. As you know that the formula of b equals to b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 1 square minus 4 into root 2 into root 2, that will be 1 minus 4 to the 8. Root 2 and root 2 when you multiply, it will become 2 and 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So 1 minus 8, that is equal to minus 7, which is less than 0. Now we have to find its roots. The roots are x equals to minus p plus minus under root d by 2a. Now substitute all this in this formula. So we have x equals to minus, the value of b was 1 minus 1 plus minus under root d, that is minus 7 by 2a, that is 2 into root 2. So we have the value -1 plus minus. You can write minus 7x 7i square, because you know that I square equals to -1 by 2 root 2. So you can have -1 plus minus under root 7i by 2 root 2. So the roots are -1 plus root under 7i by 2 root 2 and -1 minus root 7i by 2 root 2. So these are the roots of the quadratic equation which you have to find. So students, I have discussed 4 or 5 questions from this exercise. Exercise number 5.3, and this exercise contains only 10 questions. So I think that I have already solved 50% of this exercise. So the remaining 50% is the homework for all of you to solve it and upload the solution in your WhatsApp group. So this is for today. Okay, thank you. We will discuss in next video the next